This is Huanming Zhang, student numbers 101400851. In this video, I'm gonna show the assignment 3 questions. So first question, here's the 3 procedures for this question. First one, I need to create a kernel to detect 45-degree lines, and secondly, I apply the kernel to the image, and then I plot the resulting image. The image looks like this. And question 1B, there are also 3 procedures as a previous one, but a little change for the numbers. When I plot the image, it looks like this. And the question 2, there are 2 steps. One, I need to apply the kernel to the image, and then I plot the resulting image, like the color is gray. And question 2B is the same thing. I apply the kernel, but the different age kernel 2, and also with the gray color. And the question 2C, I changed the 2 to 3, and with the gray color. And for part B, firstly, I import the necessary package from the library, and then I prepare the database, load the database, and I convert the how to encode from the integer to float, and normalize to range 0 to 1. And for next one, building the neural network model, I create the models here, which is a 2D model, and I do the model compilation with optimizer Atom, and then I display a summary of the model. It looks like this. So for the custom callback class for logging, I create a custom callback class to be called during the training. And then I instantiate the custom callback. Then I training the network. You can see still training. It's a little bit slow because the different epochs from 0 to 15, 30, and 50. And then I plotting the result, define a function to do the plotting. And the question 3 to 10. Did network present the sign of overfitting? Yes. And number 4, here is the 5 layers. Number 5, I also give the answers for each layer, COMP2D, max pooling 2D, flattening, and dense, and question number 6, I create a model, and I compile my new model, train the neural network with my model, and I call the result plotting to display the result from my code. And number 8, I add a dropout layer to my model. Here's my model, and also the same step as I have done for number 6, compile my new model, train the neural network with my new model, and then the plot. Last question, explain the purpose of dropout layer. Dropout layer is a regularization technique used in neural network to prevent overfitting. So during the training, the layers randomly drop out a fraction of the neuron in a layer with a certain probability. This means that each neuron has a chance of being ignored during particular training in iteration. By doing so, it prevents neurons from relying on too heavy on each others. Okay, that's it for my presentation. Thank you.